we all know that एक एक्टर का वो लाइफ स्पैन क्या होता है फिल्मों में, वो हमेशा के लिए नहीं होता, unless you're Amitabh Bachchan or Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan. There's certain people जो उनके लाइफ स्पैन बहुत लंबी होती है. So for me, अगर ये सब Well, thank you so much. मैं ये expect नहीं कर रही थी that so many people would come here today to support the new app, to support myself, to support EscapeX. So thank you so much. I'm so excited about this app. I can't even tell you how excited I am. Every single day I've been wondering, when is it going to be live? Bugging everybody, making sure that it's absolutely perfect. The most amazing thing about this app, it's not something that's new on the market. It's an established brand. It's an established app. International, stars and celebrities all over the world are using this already. So it's not something that is new. It's something that's established, but it's new for India, and it's new for Bollywood. And I'm so happy. Thank you so much for having me as the first Bollywood star with EscapeX and being able to have my own app. I'm a product of social media. That's how I grew my name. That's how a lot of different people started knowing who I was. So for me to have one app where my fan or a follower can come and see everything that's going on. Do you know what I do in the morning? I wake up, I go to Instagram. From Instagram, I go to Facebook. From Facebook, I go to Twitter. From Twitter, I go to Snapchat. But why do I want to do that? I want to go to one place where I can see everything that's going on with the stars that I follow on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and all those places. So it's really exciting. And the most exciting part is that I get to do anything I want with this app. Be able to promote what I want to, or just share really silly videos, exclusive content that's only for my members. And I believe since this morning when we launched, we are at over 50,000 members already, which is amazing. So I'm hoping that within 24 hours we'll have a lot more. And it's going to be such an amazing journey to be able to express myself on an app that gives me the liberty to express it. And जो मैं previously बोल रही थी is कोई fans आते हैं मेरे पास and they say I'm your #1 fan, but now I actually can go see अगर आप मेरे #1 fan है, then you would be listed on my app. So no more lies there.
Thank you so much, Sunny. So moving on, the press is open for question and answers, so you can go ahead with your questions.
Good afternoon, Good afternoon, Sunny.
Where are you?
Hi.
Okay.
Hi, you're looking really bright and cheery, and congratulations on your app.
Thank you.
You just said that a lot of stars have a similar kind of app. So what is the unique content that you will be bringing, and what is the USP of your app going to be?
Well, being one of the first Bollywood celebrities to have my own app, I mean, it's virtually limitless on what I want to do or what I can do. Some things I love is the fact that I can listen to whatever songs that are like say I want to listen to only Bollywood songs. I can go in my app and listen and put the playlist on while I'm doing my makeup or running around, or put it into my car. I can watch videos on my app, like for a fan. Say I haven't seen one of the videos that was just released, I would go into my app and I would see it. Also, what would make it unique would be that I make special, unique, exclusive videos for my fans, doing silly, crazy things, or traveling, or if I'm here at a press conference, being able to share all these different things with everyone, instead of everyone going from one social media to the next one, to the next one, to the next one. So having it all in one place is definitely what makes it very, very unique.
And you also have a scoreboard of all your fans there. So can they expect some rewards? Would you be meeting them? How is that going to work?
Absolutely. So inside the app, hum contest karenge. Whoever gets the most amount of hearts, populates, the site more, is there more. Those people are my number one fans. Or wo fans ke liye, we'll do meet and greets and we'll do special prizes, or we'll send them, amazing gifts in the mail, and be able to really engage with the person that is on there. This is for my super fan. And I have a lot of super fans out there, and some really crazy ones and some amazing ones too.
What I can promise you is that the next 3-4 months are going to be completely action-packed. You will probably not be able to keep pace with what Sunny is going to do on the app, right? So keep logging in every day.
Sunny, आपकी लाइफ के बारे में तो सभी जान जाएंगे. कोई ऐसा एक्टर है बॉलीवुड में जिसके बारे में आप जानना चाहती हूँ डेली बेसिस पे, वो क्या कर रहा है?
मैं ट्विटर पे सबको फॉलो करती हूँ. I see what's going on. I always think Sonam's really interesting to watch क्योंकि वो हर रोज she's in a different country, different place, doing different things. I find that very, very interesting.
Hi Sunny, Ashutosh here. Over here. Sunny, how did you got this idea of coming into an app to launch yourself over here?
Well, an app is something that मैं हमेशा से चाहती थी. But the biggest problem is finding the right partner, finding the right people that are in for the best benefit of the app and also the artist. वो जो collaboration होता है वो सबसे important है. And EscapeX has allowed me the creativity. They've allowed me to do what I want in this. Also providing me with things that कोई other app get, how do you say it? It's just not there.
Yeah.
It's not possible for anybody to have.
Functionalities.
Yeah, all the functionalities and being able to have everything in one place. The e-commerce, being able to have, Lush, my perfume, in my app, being able to promote anything I want, or being able to say, hey guys, I just tried, or for the ladies out there, I just tried this new eyeliner, you guys should check it out. But being able to do that in one place. So finding the correct partner has been a struggle, but it's not a struggle anymore because I have a great partner.
You already took Sonam's name, but except Sonam, which Bollywood star you would like to see on this app?
Who would I like to? I actually would love to see her next. I think that she's really, really interesting.
Except Sonam.
Okay, fine. Except you just want me to name all of them. I think that.
Any male actor? Any male actor?
Any male actor? I think Ranveer Singh would be interesting because he's always doing something crazy and fun and has great fashion sense and some wacky outfits too. So I think it would be really fun to see him. His videos are probably really funny. I think that when you work in the entertainment industry, ये आपकी responsibility होती है to how to make yourself different, how to get yourself out there. I think that every actor, actress, or anybody that's in entertainment should have something like this so that they can build. You can build your own future. You can build your own destiny. That's what social media allows you to do.
Hi, Sunny. Yeah, it is no doubt you are successful in Bollywood. What sacrifice have had to make to be successful in Bollywood?
Sacrifices in Bollywood. मुझे थोड़ा सा adjust करना पड़ा. I realized very quickly that मुझे adjust करना पड़ा because Bollywood कभी change नहीं होगा. As far as how business is done and how things are done on sets and everywhere. This is a world that I never knew America meant, and I love it here, and I love every single day. मैं कुछ नया सीखती हूँ. So that for me is really fun. As far as struggles, there's struggles all the time. हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ होता है.
Right. We are not done as yet. One moment. Yeah. The question for you: what is the first kind of contest that one will get to see on?
We'll wait till 5:36 p.m. today.
आज हम announce करेंगे वो first contest क्या होगा. आपको वो app download करना पड़ेगा. And you'll be able to to see वो contest क्या है.
One more question. Once you came on board with Escapists, what were the kind of specifications that you put down from your side before you came on board? What did you really want? In the end?
बहुत सारे specifications थे.
So could you list some of them?
Sure. I wanted no internal branding that wasn't approved by me. I wanted my own e-commerce. वो मेरे लिए बहुत important है क्योंकि we all know that एक actor का वो lifespan क्या होता है फिल्मों में वो हमेशा के लिए नहीं होता unless you're Amitabh Bachchan or Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan. There's certain people जो उनके lifespan बहुत लंबी होती है. So for me अगर ये सब दूसरे मूवी के बाद एंड होता है या समथिंग हैपेंस कुछ भी होता है आई नो दैट आई बिल्ट माय ब्रांड सो स्ट्रांग दैट आई कैन डू एनीथिंग आई वांट सो ई-कॉमर्स एंड ऑल्सो बीइंग एबल टू शेयर एवरीथिंग इन वन प्लेस वो मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था बीइंग एबल टू डू स्पेशल एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियोज एंड एक्सक्लूसिव कॉन्टेस्ट फॉर माई फॉलोअर्स क्योंकि अगर मेरे फॉलोअर्स नहीं होते देन मैं बॉलीवुड में नहीं होती. It's plain and simple. That's the only reason that I've been able to get as far as I have. क्योंकि वो जो super fans होते हैं and every actor has super fans. They stay with you forever. And this is my way of also giving back and saying you have one place where we can all hang out together all the time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so the press is open for photographs. So you can click.